Be careful when using AI programs like Chat GPT to write your college essays and term papers. Hey, smart people, your favorite Uncle Matt back with you, and this time with a small warning. It's definitely important to be cautious when using AI to write college essays and term papers, as there are a number of potential issues to consider. One of the biggest concerns is the issue of plagiarism. AI-generated text can be very similar to text found in other sources, and if you submit an essay or a paper that's not entirely original, you may be accused of plagiarism. Another issue to consider is the quality of AI-generated text. While some AI models are quite advanced and can produce high-quality text, others may not be as sophisticated and may produce text that is full of errors or is not well written. It's also important to keep in mind the ethical considerations of AI-generated writing. Some people might argue that the use of AI to write essays and papers is not fair to students who spend hours researching and writing their work. Using AI to write essays and term papers may give an unfair advantage to those who can afford to use these tools. It's always good to take responsibility for the content that you're submitting. As a general rule, it's best to use AI tools as a way to supplement your own research and writing rather than as a replacement for it. That way, you can be sure that the work you're submitting is original and of high quality. Additionally, it's important to read and understand the guidelines and policies of your school or college regarding the use of AI in writing academic works, and make sure that your work is aligned with those guidelines. By the way, all the preceding information was generated by me using Chat GPT. I only edited slightly where I changed a word here or there. Otherwise, everything I just said was the original text it wrote for me. I'll have other videos on this topic soon, as it's no longer a science fiction fantasy, but a real-world development that bears more examination. If you get value from my videos, please give me a like, share my videos with those you care about on social media, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon to enable notifications so you'll always know each time I release a new video. Please post your questions and comments. You'll see I go to great lengths to read them and reply to as many of them as I can. I will look forward to seeing you on my other videos soon.